Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out MaxBounty, and maybe you're wondering, is this a good place for you to start picking products, selling them online? Is this a good CPA and affiliate marketing network? Is it legit? Or is it a waste of time? Are there better networks out there where you can sell some great products, okay? So I'm going to review MaxBounty, and you can decide whether or not this is a good place for you to start selling products online. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just with your internet and your computer, click the link below, and I'll send you my favorite strategy. You can check that out, alright? Now, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money, all sorts of different sources, websites. Some are great, some are so-so, some are a waste of time. So let's check out MaxBounty to find out how good this CPA and affiliate marketing network is, okay? Now, MaxBounty has been around for a very, very long time. It's opened in 2004, so it's one of the OGs of the CPA industry and affiliate marketing. CPA is cost per acquisition. I'll explain to you how that works in a minute if you don't really understand that, right? But basically a great place for you to come here and find all sorts of different products that you can promote online and make commissions from, okay? So just a little bit of data on them. They've got 30,000 plus affiliates. They have 3,000, they've done over 3,000 plus campaigns, and they work with a lot of different types of companies, okay? So some of the companies that they work with and that you can actually partner with them to sell are people like Norton, like Alibaba, like Upstart, like Squarespace, like Shutterstock, like McAfee, like Walmart, for example. So, you know, these are just as an example. If you wanted to sell Walmart products, or if you wanted to sell Norton antivirus products, or you wanted to sell, you know, Squarespace products or Shutterstock. They even work with people like Microsoft and GoDaddy, right? So if you wanted to sell any of those programs, you would have to come directly to MaxBounty and sign up with them in order for you to, actually get started with it, okay? So the way that you would do that is you would come into the affiliate section on the top, all right? And once you come to the affiliate section, you can sign up. Unfortunately, their sign up process is pretty long. There's more than 8 steps, unfortunately, and they do take quite a long time to get back to you. So that's the thing that I would say about MaxBounty. Even though they've got a big list of some pretty good companies that you can work with and sell, their sign-up process can be very, very lengthy, okay? Now, how much do they actually pay? Now, it really depends on what you sell. Okay, if you're partnering up with companies like Walmart, you know, or Squarespace or Shutterstock, generally these types of companies, these very big retail companies, they don't pay out that much in commissions. Usually it's less than 10%. You know, it's around 5%, 6%, 3%. So it's not that much commissions. So if you're selling big retail companies, brands, you would have to make a ton of sales, like hundreds and hundreds of sales every single day for you to make anything respectable, okay? Now, what they're also very famous for is CPA offers, so cost per acquisition offers. So what that means is it's like they reward you when you get your lead to complete a specific action. So maybe, they work with an insurance company that is looking for full application leads. That means they want you to fill out a full application, your name, all your details, your address, and then the credit card information, and that constitutes as a specific lead for that insurance company. Then they'll pay you according to how much that insurance company wants to pay. So that CPA offer might pay $2 or $3 for every successful lead that you get to sign up on that insurance application form, if that makes sense, right? And they work with, lots of different companies in all sorts of different verticals. Like, for example, they've got, the dating niche. So they've got some dating companies that, again, if you get somebody to fill out a full application form and fill out their credit card information, they might pay you $4 for that specific lead, okay? So it really depends on where your leads come from. Do you have a big database of leads that come from the dating space? Or maybe you have a technology blog, and if you have a big technology blog, then you could recommend products like, for example, GoDaddy or Norton antivirus, because it would fit the people that are coming to your blog, if that makes sense, okay? And that's kind of how it works, right? So they've got a mixture of cost per sale offers and cost per acquisition offers, okay? And the only thing about MaxBounty, which is a little bit annoying, is that you have to sell successfully their CPS offers, their cost per sale offers, before they give you access to the cost per acquisition offers, all right? So that's the only thing. They pay out the 15th of every single month. They pay out globally, and they pay out through check, wire, or Payoneer, and you must have at least $100 earned before you can actually make money from them, okay? So that's a very important thing for you to remember. Now let's find out what some people have actually said about MaxBounty and what are the biggest pros and cons. Okay, now if you come into Trustpilot, which is a very big third-party review website, you can see that they've got a lot of 5 stars, 59%, but they have a lot of 1 stars too, 37%. So you can see that they have that's a lot of negativity around a particular program. 37% is very, very high. So 5-star, they're going to say all the good stuff. I like to look at the 1 stars to see what are the common problems with a specific product or website, and this is very, very telling. Okay, so you can see that generally they will talk about the same things, that they have very a few different affiliate managers. They've got very unpleasant experiences. They don't give very good support. They don't give very good feedback. And if you work with an affiliate manager that doesn't support you, it's very, very difficult for you to get your links and to get your things approved. Okay. Another one another thing that a lot of people complain about is that MaxBounty cancels people's accounts for no reason. Right? That happens all the time. So your MaxBounty account has been terminated for fraud. And then this person says, I have no idea why. I can assure you no fraud was committed. Okay. Bad experience with transparency. I asked for approval for registration, send basic documents. The process would have been extremely professional, blah, blah, blah. Without any clear reason, I get a rejection. We are unable to accept your application for an affiliate at this time or any time in the near future. Okay, so things like that, right? So not everybody's going to get approved. So depending on your experience, and they only look for experienced affiliates. That's the thing. And we'll cover that in a little bit, towards the end of this video, right? But a lot of beginners will have a lot of trouble being approved on MaxBounty, unfortunately, okay? Account termination for no reason. So again, this happens all the time, right? My account was terminated for no reason. It was not even a week old. There was no activity yet, but I just received an email saying that it was terminated for fraud. Okay, how can there be any fraud when there's no activity? I tried to appeal almost daily through emails and Skype, but no response from the affiliate manager, Aisha. Okay, so again, that's the thing about that's the thing about MaxBounty, right? Unpleasant service, not recommended. Scam, sent some leads, and then after that, didn't work. Okay, what else was there? Account termination for no reason, even though I didn't work on it for many months. So it seems that MaxBounty likes to terminate accounts that are not active, which I think is a little bit unfair. Maybe they're cleaning shop, but that's not really great, especially if you were approved and then maybe you didn't use it for a little while, and then all of a sudden you're getting terminated, and then you have to go through the application process all over again, and they might not accept you the second time, right? So some pros and cons I would say with MaxBounty. So these I would say would sum it up very, very nicely. Okay, and I definitely agree with these, right? So the thing about MaxBounty is it's very big. They've got access to tons and tons of products, all right, which is great. The commission rates will really vary. Okay, some of them can be very low, under 10%, but you might be able to find some decent CPS offers, cost per sale offers, where you have to sell the product, and then it's they get anywhere from 10% to 50%, which is pretty good. Okay, and they have dedicated affiliate managers, although some of the affiliate managers are not very good at their job, unfortunately, right? What are some of the cons, though, of working with MaxBounty? Is that they have a very, very long sign-up process, okay? Most long-winded sign-up process ever, 8 steps, okay? Very slow account approval. So it might take you weeks before you even get approved, if you even get approved on MaxBounty, okay? They will terminate your account in a heartbeat. So where is the safety net as a marketer, as an affiliate, if your income stream is going to be terminated at the smallest thing? You don't even know why they terminate it. They don't give you a reason, and there's no way for you to relook at the situation. They're just going to that's it. Once they decide that you're terminated, you're terminated. That's it. Okay. Absolutely no help desk or support system. It's really weird. They've got no support. The only way that you can get support from MaxBounty is through your affiliate manager. And if your affiliate manager is good, then you're okay. But if they're bad, then you've got a problem, okay? And so I would say that those are the main issues with working with MaxBounty. The other thing that you have to understand is that if you want to sell any of their products on MaxBounty, you need to be experienced. Otherwise, it's very unlikely that they will approve you, okay? So that means that you must already have been doing affiliate marketing or CPA marketing for quite a long time. Maybe you've got a massive blog where you've got a lot of traffic in, technology or dating or any other space. Or maybe you're an influencer and you've got millions of people following you on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube. Otherwise, it's very, very unlikely that you're going to get approved by MaxBounty. And that's kind of the problem, okay? Because if you're a beginner and you want to learn affiliate marketing, then MaxBounty might not be the right network for you to do that, because they might not approve. It's highly unlikely that they're going to approve you, okay? So that's kind of the problem. But if you want to learn affiliate marketing, then this is probably not the place for you to start. This is where experienced people come to get access to a lot of offers, which is unfortunate because they've got a lot of offers that they can offer you to market. All right, but that's my review of MaxBounty. I would say if you're experienced, something to check out. You just have to be wary about them canceling accounts and whether or not you get a good affiliate manager or not. But if you're a beginner, probably not the place for you to start. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this review of MaxBounty. If you are watching this video though and you are a beginner, maybe you want to get into affiliate marketing, maybe you want to do CPA marketing, maybe you want to just sell products online. You've heard of MaxBounty, but you don't know how to make money online. You've made $0, right? If you would like to learn to go from zero to your first $5,000 to $10,000 a month selling products online, especially digital products, then I would love to teach you how to do that. I've got a free training, a free masterclass that you can check out if you would like. Just click the link below and I'll send you my favorite strategy straight to your email. You can check that out if you would like, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of MaxBounty. I will see you on another video review. Take care.